So here we are outside the Globales Binimar all-inclusive hotel, 3 stars. A nice sunny day. It's now 6:30 at night. So we've got these bikes outside that are for hire for €12 for an hour. Alternatively, there is a Top Markets down there, which you can hire them for €9 an hour. So we just go inside now, go inside reception. The reception is where you'll check in, and that's where your tea is, one of the restaurants. And this is a map of the island. And you can see you land at the airport and you're travelling all the way to Cittadella. The transfer is around about an hour. However, if you do have to go to Cala that will be an extra half an hour on your trip, so that'll be an hour and a half to get to your hotel from the airport. So as you can see, there is electric scooters for hire. You can download the app on there and hire them. When you do arrive, and you arrive in the morning, you'll have to drop your baggage off at room 125, which is just around the corner here. There's room 125. And on the wall here, there'll be a list of names. Your name will appear when your room is ready, and then you can go to reception and check back in again. So we'll just do a quick walk through the hotel now. So as you can see, all the rooms do look the same. On the way out, if you want to, you can go and get your baggage weighed, so you don't get to the airport and find out that you are overweight. That's only €1 to weigh your luggage. Down this way is the kids' play area. As you can see, there's various slides and climbing things for the kids to play in. There is an on-site supermarket, as shown just around the corner down here. However, there is some just outside which are slightly cheaper. There's various toilets around the area as well. And here's the mini market. Which I believe is shut early today due to South One. Animation entertainment, so they do have a night and day entertainment. There's one of the pools. Here's one of the bars. I believe this bar shuts at 5 o'clock. Yep, open 11 o'clock till 5 o'clock every day. The hotel is also a cash-free hotel, so please also bring your credit card with you. On the way down here is the way to the main entertainment area, another bar and another restaurant. And dotted around various parts of the hotel is the map of the hotel. You can see rooms, different pools of where you'll be. Nice little water feature within the hotel. There is fish in there. Again, another board detailing what the entertainment is of an evening. Now we have the adults and kids daytime entertainment. The main stage of the night. And one of the kids' pools, or the kids' pool. There's not many parasols, so do get here early if you do want some shade. Like saying, there's the main entertainment area. This does get crowded when there is a good show on. For argument's sake, we had Disney the other night and it was absolutely jam-packed. And there's our room at the top, room 258. Must admit the doors are good for when the evening entertainment's on or the daytime is on and your little one wants a nap. The doors do keep out the noise. Again, another board over there detailing the layout of the hotel. And this pool is open from 10 o'clock till 6 o'clock at night. Hence why there's no water running at the present moment in time. Again, more rooms, all are the same. Some nice views of different other villas that are in the area. Again, more rooms. Just going to go and see the third pool now. This is at the back of the hotel near the table tennis. Again, not many parasols for shade. As you see, quite a lot of the rooms have a really nice view. These ones down at the back end have a better view of the sea. Also seems quieter as well for night time. So we come now back round the side, coming up to the stage from the other area. This is the snack bar. Ice cream corner, which isn't actually included in the all-inclusive. It's only ice pops that are included in the all-inclusive during the day. If your child does want something like an ice cream to eat, it will be at restaurant only. We do have a snack menu to take away, various places. Queue for the bar can be a bit long, but they're normally quick at getting through everyone, which is good. We'll just go back down this way again now to show you, depending on what time your departure is, will be where you actually get picked up from. I believe your departure is during the day They'll get picked up from down at the back end of the hotel. If it's in the morning like mine's going to be, I'll be at reception. A few games at the back. One thing I would also mention as well, if you're an adult, take part in the games of an evening, as you'll win a medal for your little child, and you'll also win a bottle of champagne. Although it is all inclusive, it's still nice to put in the fridge and have on the balcony of a night when the bar's closed and the kids are asleep. You do have a basketball court at the back. And then this is where you do a pick up during the day. Coach will pick you up here and then you'll jump straight in on the way to the airport. Like I said before, if you're going via Cala, it will be roughly an hour and a half to the airport. If not, it will be an hour. And over there, right in the distance, you'll be able to see another Globales hotel, which is the Globales Almirante Farragut. And that is the back of the hotel. One thing I can mention is if you do book the hotel, which includes the water park, that is beneficial, as it's €25 per adult and it's €15 for any child over the age of 3. It cost me an extra £70 to book, which included the water park. I've been twice, so that works out €160 I would have spent, and I've only actually spent 70, so it did actually prove beneficial for me. Other than that, it's been a really good hotel. I've really enjoyed myself. The kids have really enjoyed it. The weather's not been the best, but it's very good today. Like I say, Sant Juan is on quite a lot of the shops, and some bars are actually closed in the area. I do like to go into the centre street Adela to do the festival, which I believe is on a Sunday. Today's a Monday, so obviously everyone's still recovering. I hope you enjoyed the review and the tour around. I'll be doing more in the future. Many thanks.